Hey guys, so we're going to go ahead and start coding the volume sprite. So we're going to start with the first block, that is when green flag is clicked. And we're going to go into the blue motions tab and add a go to X and Y, which we're going to change X to -200 and Y to 150. Next, we're going to go on to looks and add a set size to 100. We're going to add a go to front layer, and then we're going to add a hide. Next, we're going to go to the when I receive countdown, and we're going to add a show. So this is where we'll finally be able to see it. Underneath this, we're going to go ahead and add a forever. Inside of the forever, we're going to go ahead and go into the variables tab, and we're going to set our sound to 50. And we're going to then go into looks and add a switch costume to not mute. Next, we're going to go on to control, and we're going to add a wait until. We're going to go ahead and create this block that we're going to use a couple of times. So we're going to go into operators, and we're going to go ahead and use an AND. So we want to make sure that within sensing, our mouse pointer is on it, and that we've clicked on it, so we're going to use mouse down. I'm going to duplicate it from the middle to have another one. And inside of the wait until, I'm going to wait until I'm not doing any of this. Because we don't want it to automatically happen. And then we want it to wait until it is actually happening. So I'm just going to go ahead and duplicate this and add it here. And now I can just go ahead and delete this. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to go ahead and duplicate these two and move it to the side for now. And then underneath this, actually we can just go ahead and duplicate this from the top. Add it to the bottom. And we're then going to set our sound to 0. And then change this to mute. And then we're going to wait until, again, we're not touching any of these. And then if we are, it'll go back here and repeat the same process again. And with that, we're all done with our volume. The last thing we're going to go ahead and work on is going to be these spells, which is just a fancy way of saying the different baskets that we have when we have the frozen and poison apples, which are a couple of obstacles that players have to avoid. So we need to make different versions for those as well.